Good morning. I'm on a mission this week to revamp our closet. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. Whew. The state of our closet right now is so bad. It's the worst it's ever been. We've been getting a lot of new clothes and we don't know how to organize them. I have this idea in mind. I want to get like one dresser or two and then switch all of our plastic hangers to wooden ones just to make it look a little more chic, hopefully. This is a judgment-free zone. Please don't judge us for what I'm about to show you guys because it's bad. It's really bad. This is Max's side of the closet. This is not cute. No, sir. But look, someone sent a doll of me, my favorite thing in the world. And then this is my side of the closet. Also not okay. That is so bad. That is horrible. How cute is this bag with this outfit? Look who got new pants.
This is so tedious. Hey, stop it.
Nipple.
Stop it.
Alright, let's try those boots. The chair's cracking under my weight. Am I that heavy?
It's gonna break.
Stop. Ooh.
Bootsy boy.
Ooh. IKEA date outfit. We kind of match.
We always do. Their ribs are freaking good. Freaking delicious.
Feels so good to be eating at a restaurant. Oh my god. Restaurant fries. Restaurant mayo. This looks bomb, but I low-key hate burgers like this because it's so thick. I'm gonna eat the onion rings first. It's a butthole.
It's difficult to eat that without getting dirty in your finger. I'm a white Jon Snow. No, it doesn't work out. Look, I'm Jon Snow. Do you understand the reference?
No.
No, never mind.
Quit joking around. We're here on a mission. We have to get a dresser for our closet and then hangers. Well, that's it.
Let's go.
So far, this is my favorite one. One on each side. Then I can put like my shoes and then our like fragrances.
But I'm wondering if we get one or two, if two is too much.
They have all new plushies, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Should we get one for babies? Should we get one?
This one looks sad.
Oh. Or should we get a baby one? Oh.
Baby shark doo 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 doo. Yo, babe, did you have one of those when you were little?
No.
I had one. Like everyone I know had one. Come on, it was so popular here in Canada. Look, babe, you look so happy.
Have a lot of fun.
There's only one left in stock. We need to find a staff.
We got the last one in stock. It's a sign from God that we were meant to have it.
Look at that t-shirt.
You're getting some of those Swedish meatballs. What's that?
Fish roast bread. Do you want to try this?
What the fuck is that?
It says creamed smoked fish roe. Let's try it.
Sounds weird.
I know, but it's so funny looking. IKEA haul, meatballs, apple juice, cranberry sauce, and this weird blonde dude. I cannot wait to try this. Are you proud of yourself that you got to do that?
Very proud of myself.
Today's the day Bruno's getting his stitches out, aren't you? Good boy. He's been recovering well, and it's finally time that we can give him a bath. He's been so smelly because we're not allowed to give him a bath while he was recovering from his surgery. It was a really tough first week of recovery. Honestly, he was not able to really control his bladder because his cancer was like really close to his anus. You guys don't want to hear about this. All you need to know is that he's fine and he's his old jolly self.
Swedish meatball.
So excited.
How many you want?
How many do they usually serve in IKEA? Like 8?
10.
Make a bigger hole.
I like it tight.
Okay. I'm dumb. I forgot to get gravy for the IKEA meatballs. That's good. That's good.
Enough?
Yeah. Yummy! Mayo. Ugh. Max went to take Bruce out, so you're just here with me now. Meatballs, cranberry sauce. Don't need the gravy. I brought the IKEA box here for the IKEA vibe. Now this feels realistic. You squirted mayo on yourself.
Oops. Lick it. I'll get it in the fry.
It's just as good as if you had it in IKEA. It's so good.
Here?
Yeah.
I prefer thick meatballs.
I like cute small ones.
You know, when I was young, watching like Italian movie, they always have giant meatballs in their spaghetti, and I was wondering why my parents don't eat their spaghetti that way. Like we had the meat sauce, but we never had like the big meatballs. So as an adult, I could buy my own big meatballs and enjoy them because I wanted to eat them like I see it in the movies.
When I was young, my dad never really spoke to me, so then I had daddy issues.
That went dark quickly.
Alright, let's do this.
I'm not looking forward to it. I don't like assembling IKEA stuff.
Can you move, please? Okay, thanks.
Thanks for the help.
Huh?
It's supposed to be a 2-people job.
Yeah, but you're just opening box.
Yeah, you could help me.
We only have one service. This is what we bought. Nordmella. Take all the screws and shove it up your ass.
Yeah, no, that's not the first thing they ask. First thing they ask is, here we go. Instruction. First thing they ask is, find a friend. We got that covered. Yay.
Where does it say that? That's such a lie. Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, it actually does say that you need 2 people.
Yay. So we migrated to the closet. How's it going so far?
I'm so tired.
Are we halfway done?
No, we're not even halfway there. Oh my god, I feel dead.
Fighting. Doesn't fit. Can you hold it? Small piece doesn't want to fit. Hold it. You're such an handyman.
Fuck this.
A new wardrobe. Now we just need to pick up this mess and put it in there.
Tomorrow.
Good job. High five.
This is my outfit for today. It would look really cute with a dirty pair of white sneakers. It's gonna be so snowy and slippery. I have to wear my boots. Do I slip and fall for fashion? Nah. We're supposed to meet our friends Ali and Simon for brunch at 11. It's now 10:40. We're late because Max takes like 2 hours to get ready.
Better be late than ugly.
True.
I'm ready.
Oh, this is cute too. I'm not sacrificing that much fashion after all. This is Ali and Simon.
I'm like crying.
They're my 2 white friends. They've been dating for how long? I'm kidding, they're both gay. I'm kidding, Ali's not gay. Ali's kinda gay.
Depends how I feel.
We waited an hour for a table. Let's hope this is worth it. But look at this place, such cute homey vibes. Home sweet home.
It's a breakfast potato like McDonald's. That's what it tastes like.
Thrifting with Ali.
Yay!
We're a little tipsy, so this is fun.
Yeah, we got mimosas. You know how it goes.
I got this and little dress shirt. It's a cute gray. What do you think of my new friend?
It's cute, but it's a little bit fugly. It's like fugly cute.
No.
Okay, so we are halfway through cleaning the closet. So much stuff.
This bag we're gonna give away, and that pile too.
Halfway through cleaning, how do you feel?
I feel good. It feels really good to like get rid of junk.
If it doesn't spark joy, you have to give it away.
Exactly.
You still spark joy, I'll keep you.
So how do you like your new closet?
Love it.
I love it too. Now we can clean the closet.
So here's our finished closet finally. If you guys remember the before, it looked like we were hoarders, like we should be in a TLC show. But now it looks like we kind of have our life together, which we kind of do and we kind of don't. And when I'm dressing up, it feels like it's gonna be okay. And that's what's important. I found this genius hack on TikTok where you can hang your pants on S-hooks. So I ordered that from Amazon and I love how that looks. We're also changing all of our hangers to wooden IKEA hangers. We just have to wait till Friday to go pick that up because it's been out of stock everywhere. Also love our new drawers. They're blue, they're beautiful. And I'm sure this is an item that we're gonna keep using in our next homes because it's just so chic and I love my blue. Now the only thing left to do is to just buy more clothes to fill up the closet with more memories. Okay, well thank you guys for joining us this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.